Have you ever wondered why Africa, the second largest and second most populous continent in the world, is often referred to as the cradle of humankind? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the enigma that is Africa, a landmass of over 30 million square kilometers, home to more than 1 billion people, speaking over 2,000 languages. A place of boundless diversity, not just in its people, but in its geography. From the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, where sand dunes ripple under an unforgiving sun, to the soaring heights of Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest freestanding mountain in the world. And who could forget the Nile River, the longest river on the planet, breathing life into the landscapes it traverses? But Africa's allure extends beyond its physical attributes. It is a land steeped in history, a place where time has left indelible imprints. Africa is the birthplace of humanity, where our earliest ancestors first stood upright and looked towards the horizon. It is where ancient civilizations rose and fell, leaving behind tales of glory and despair. And it is where modern nations, forged in the crucible of colonization and independence, continue to shape the world. The enigma of Africa lies in its complex history, a tapestry woven with threads of triumph and tragedy, innovation and stagnation, unity and division. This tapestry tells a story that is as diverse as the continent itself. For every tale of prosperity, there is a tale of hardship. For every story of unity, there is a story of conflict. Yet, through it all, Africa remains a beacon of resilience, a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. As we delve deeper into the heart of Africa, we will uncover the layers of its history, explore its unique cultures, and marvel at its natural wonders. We will seek to understand the forces that have shaped this continent, and in doing so, come to appreciate the pivotal role Africa has played in the story of humanity. Africa's history is a tapestry of cultures, civilizations, and natural wonders that have shaped humanity as we know it. Africa is believed to be the birthplace of humankind, where our earliest ancestors first appeared over 2 million years ago. Picture a time before recorded history, when the vast expanse of Africa was a cradle nurturing the evolution of life. The epoch of the prehistoric era, spanning millions of years, bore witness to the emergence of hominids, the family tree to which we, Homo sapiens, belong. These early human ancestors, with their evolving abilities and adaptive nature, laid the foundation for what we now recognize as human civilization. The heart of Ethiopia, in a region aptly named the Cradle of Mankind, served as a stage for a significant discovery. The oldest known human remains, affectionately named Lucy, were unearthed here. A fossilized marvel dating back over 3 million years, Lucy, or Australopithecus afarensis, offers a glimpse into our distant past, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. From these humble beginnings, Homo sapiens, our own species, evolved, marking a significant milestone in the annals of life on Earth. The evolutionary journey of Homo sapiens, endowed with an unparalleled capacity for thought, communication, and creation, is a narrative of survival, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Africa's prehistoric era was also host to the flourishing of Stone Age cultures. These early societies, armed with stone tools and a burgeoning understanding of their environment, laid the groundwork for complex societal structures. They hunted, gathered, and eventually learned to harness the power of agriculture, setting the stage for a shift from nomadic to settled life. This rich tapestry of early human life in Africa is an enduring testament to our species' journey. It is a testament to our resilience, our adaptability, and our innate drive to understand and shape the world around us. The seeds of civilization were first sown on this vast continent, making Africa a pivotal chapter in the story of human evolution. The sands of time reveal the rise of great empires and civilizations in Africa long before the advent of written history. Our journey takes us back to the ancient times, to the land of the pharaohs, Egypt. An empire that stood as a testament to human ingenuity, Egypt was a cradle of civilization where art, science, and governance flourished. The majestic pyramids, the Sphinx, the intricate hieroglyphics all bear witness to a culture that was light years ahead of its time. But Egypt was not alone. To the north of Africa, nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, thrived the formidable civilization of Carthage. Ruled by the indomitable Hannibal, Carthage was a powerhouse of maritime prowess and trade, a city that dared to challenge the might of Rome. Venturing further south, we encounter the Aksum Empire. As one of the four great ancient civilizations, Aksum left an indelible mark on the world. With its unique script, ge'ez, and its advanced system of governance, Aksum was a beacon of progress in a world still grappling with the concept of civilization. Our final stop is the Mali Empire in West Africa. A hub of knowledge and learning, Mali was home to the University of Sankore in Timbuktu, a beacon of intellectual pursuit. The empire's wealth was legendary, with tales of its king, Mansa Musa, spreading across continents. His pilgrimage to Mecca, laden with gold, is etched in the annals of history, underlining the opulence and prosperity of this African empire. Each of these civilizations contributed significantly toward the development of art, science, trade, and governance, underpinning Africa's integral role in shaping world history. They were the harbingers of their time, their influence reaching far beyond their geographical boundaries. These ancient civilizations were the beacon of progress, their influence echoing through the corridors of time. The winds of change swept over Africa in the late 19th century, marking a period of foreign domination, struggle, and eventual liberation. As we delve into this epoch, we find ourselves in the heart of the so-called scramble for Africa. European powers, driven by their industrial ambitions, embarked on a frenzied rush to claim pieces of the African continent. The Berlin Conference of 1884–85, often termed as the Partition of Africa, saw these powers draw arbitrary lines on the map, dividing Africa into spheres of influence, with little regard for the existing ethnic and cultural boundaries. The colonization of Africa was not merely territorial. It was a profound exploitation of its rich resources: gold, diamonds, rubber, and the most precious resource of all, human lives. Millions were ensnared into forced labor, their freedom and dignity stripped away. The vibrant cultures, languages, and traditions of Africa were suppressed, replaced by foreign customs and systems. Yet the spirit of Africa was not so easily quelled. As the 20th century dawned, the winds of change began to stir again. This time, they carried the echoes of freedom, independence, and self-determination. African leaders and intellectuals, inspired by the ideals of Pan-Africanism, began to challenge the colonial order. The mid-20th century was witness to a wave of independence movements across the continent. From Ghana's independence in 1957, led by Kwame Nkrumah, to the end of apartheid in South Africa in 1994, the struggle for liberation was fierce and fraught with challenges. Yet, it was a testament to the resilience and indomitable spirit of the African people. The formation of modern African nations was not an end, but a beginning of a journey towards reclaiming their identity, their culture, and their right to self-determination. The scars of the past still linger, in the form of political, economic, and social challenges. Yet they serve as a reminder of the turbulent history that has shaped the continent and the enduring spirit of its people. The era of colonization and independence was a tumultuous period in Africa's history, leaving an indelible mark on its present and future. Today, Africa stands as a testament to its resilient spirit, rich cultural heritage, and untapped potential. As we journey into the heart of modern Africa, we see a land that is as diverse as it is dynamic. Over the past few decades, Africa has experienced significant strides in economic growth, driven by its abundant natural resources and burgeoning markets. From Nigeria's booming oil industry to South Africa's thriving gold and diamond mines, Africa's natural resources are a key driver of its economic growth. Yet, Africa is not just about resources, it's about people, culture, and innovation. The continent is home to over 2,000 distinct ethnic groups, each with their own unique traditions and languages. This cultural diversity is a testament to Africa's rich heritage and provides a vibrant backdrop to its modern societies. Despite these achievements, Africa also faces significant challenges. Poverty, political instability, and health crises, particularly the ongoing fight against HIV/AIDS, are among the issues that continue to test the continent's resilience. But it's in the face of these challenges that Africa's true spirit shines through. The continent's ongoing efforts towards sustainable development, education, and healthcare are inspiring examples of its commitment to progress. In the realm of global affairs, Africa is increasingly making its voice heard. From climate change negotiations to discussions on global trade, African nations are playing a pivotal role in shaping the world's future. The African Union, with its 55 member states, is a powerful testament to the continent's unity and shared vision for a prosperous, peaceful future. As we conclude our journey, we're left with a resounding impression. Africa is a continent of contrast and complexity, of challenges and triumphs, of tradition and innovation. Its story is one of a resilient spirit that continues to rise against all odds. From the birthplace of humanity to a vibrant melting pot of cultures and traditions, Africa's journey is a remarkable testament to the resilience and spirit of humanity. Africa is not just a continent, it's an experience waiting to be explored and appreciated. We hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know more interesting facts on more different topics, then please show us some love with a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.